Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we have a cocktail request. My wife had seen this viral Guinness Espresso Martini posted by my cocktail Bible on Instagram. That takes the Espresso Martini template and, unsurprisingly, incorporates Guinness. There's a few other twists, but we'll keep the garnish classic with 3 coffee beans. But without further ado, let's get into ingredients. Starting with vodka. KettleOne is my preference. Coffee liqueur. My favorite is Luxardo's Espresso Liqueur, but if someone wants to ship me some Mr. Black, I'd be happy to change my mind. Guinness Stout. You could also likely use their extra stout here. Cocoa Bitters, which should help bring out some of the nuance of the Guinness. Vanilla extract. The original recipe calls for vanilla vodka, but having one vodka on the shelf is enough for me. And some fresh espresso. I let mine sit for some time so it'd be easier to work with and not burn the bar. Once you've got a coupe in the freezer and your espresso ready, gather the rest of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, shaker tin, jigger, and add 1 to 2 drops of vanilla extract. If you've got vanilla vodka, ignore this step. 2 dashes of cocoa bitters, 3/4 an ounce of coffee liqueur, one ounce of vodka, one and a half ounces of Guinness Stout, but since we've got another 13 ounces left, get a pint glass and pour the rest. We'll let it settle while we finish making the cocktail. Add a big cube of ice before adding an ounce of espresso. Remember to be careful handling the espresso, as hot coffee in a tin can be quite scalding. Seal it up and shake for a good 20 to 30 seconds to get it nice and frothy, and then gently strain it into your chilled coupe. Finally, garnish it with 3 coffee beans, and there you have the Guinness Espresso Martini. What I love about Guinness and espresso martinis is how they evolve aesthetically as they sit. After you've finished appreciating your work of art, go in for a taste. Strong espresso flavors from the fresh espresso and the liqueur, which combines with the Guinness for a creamy hazelnut finish, with the vanilla extract and cocoa bitters bringing out some of the more subtle flavors of the Guinness and providing a nice chocolatey finish. Really delicious and creamy. I'd definitely make this again, but I'd be interested to note if Guinness actually provides much in the face of all these other flavors. Try it and let me know what you think. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite espresso martini riff? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.